In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize the Mosaic or Pixelate effect in CapCut to creatively enhance your video projects. Whether you're looking to add some unique elements or anonymize certain areas, this tutorial will guide you through the process smoothly and effectively. First, let's jump into CapCut and navigate to the Effects tab. This is where the magic begins. Once you're in the Effects section, head straight to the search bar and type in either Mosaic or Pixelate. These two effects serve a similar purpose, offering that distinctive blurred or pixelated look you often see in creative or privacy-focused video edits. Once you've found the effect you're looking for, it's time to apply it to your clip. Now, to apply the effect, simply drag it from the Effects panel and drop it onto your desired clip within your project timeline. This intuitive drag-and-drop functionality makes CapCut incredibly user-friendly, especially when you want to quickly apply effects without navigating through complex menus. Seeing the effect snap onto your clip visually signifies that the first part of the process is complete. After applying the effect, turn your attention to the preview window. This is where you get to control the positioning and size of the effect box. You'll notice a bounding box that can be resized and repositioned to perfectly cover the specific area you wish to pixelate. Don't hesitate to adjust it until you're sure it's right. This is a crucial step because it ensures that the effect is applied precisely where you need it to be, whether you're aiming to obscure a face or highlight a section of your video creatively. Once the sizing and positioning feel just right, let's refine the effect to your liking. On the right side of your screen, you'll find the panel that houses all the customization options for your effect. Here, you can adjust the pixel size. Smaller pixels will give the effect a more subtle blur, whereas larger pixels will amplify the effect's impact, creating a more pronounced mosaic look. Along with the pixel size, you can also tweak the duration of the effect to perfectly match your clip. This means you can have the pixelation appear gradually or vanish at a specific point, tailoring the visual storytelling to your creative vision. And there you have it. With CapCut's versatile editing tools, applying the Mosaic or Pixelate effect becomes an easy task. Enhancing the narrative or aesthetic of your video projects, the process empowers creators to balance visual impact with subtlety, making it an important technique in any video editor's toolkit. Experiment with different pixel sizes and durations to see what best fits your creative goals. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps elevate your video editing skills in CapCut.